So there were 3 calculation questions our group had to address for the Orlando Magic case. So the first calculation was prepare a bill of materials, explosion, and total cost for the 216 portions of Cheeto crusted mac and cheese. So to do this, we first looked at the quantity of 216 portions. To do this, we take the quantity of 6 portions and multiply it by 36. So we get 36 by doing 216 divided by 6. And you're doing this because you need to find the quantity of 216 portions. So moving over to the total cost, you simply multiply the quantity of 216 portions times the unit cost. To find the material cost, we're simply going to set it equal to the sum of the total cost. And finally, the labor cost is simply the labor hours times the labor cost per hour times 36. And just like that, your answer is 1,582.92. So for the second calculation, the question is, what is the cost per portion? How much less expensive is the Cheeto crusted mac and cheese than Chef John's alternative creation, the buffalo chicken mac and cheese? So first we have to find the total cost for Cheeto crusted mac and cheese and then buffalo chicken mac and cheese. So to find this, we're going to first find the material cost, which is equal to the sum of all the total costs. Next is the labor cost, which is 0.2 times 15. And the total cost is the material cost plus the labor cost. And now we're going to do that for the buffalo chicken mac and cheese. So again, the labor cost is 0.2 times 15. And the total cost is just the material cost plus the labor cost. Next, we're going to find the cost per portion. And we're going to start out with the Cheeto. And we're going to find the cost per portion by doing the total cost divided by the number of portions. So the number of portions is 6. And we find that Cheeto is 7.32, where buffalo chicken is 6.64. So then we subtract to find the differences. And we find that it costs 69 cents more to make Cheeto crusted mac and cheese than buffalo mac and cheese. So the third and final calculation question is, assuming that there is no beginning inventory of the Cheeto crusted mac and cheese and the cooking time for the entire 216 portions is 0.6 hours, when must preparation begin? So we need to look at preparation time and cooking time to get the total time needed. To find prep time, we do labor hours, which is 0.2 times 36, which we find in question 1. We get that to equal 7.2. Then we are given cooking time, which is 0.6. Now to find total time, we just add prep time plus cooking time, and we find that preparation must begin 7.8 hours before.